Right, this just in, WhatsApp CEO quits after Facebook argument. Welcome to This Happened Online, I'm your host Simon. And yeah, this is a bit of a tricky one, because WhatsApp and Facebook, if you might not know it, are the same. These are connected, because Facebook bought WhatsApp, so Facebook has all the information WhatsApp has. And that was the main issue with the CEO of WhatsApp, Jan Koum, that Facebook had all the data and that Facebook uses all the data to target the audience on WhatsApp. He didn't want any ads on WhatsApp, but ads are already on WhatsApp because Facebook took over WhatsApp and WhatsApp is becoming Facebook and they're getting all our information, our personal data. We're not safe anymore. So you all know everything about the Cambridge Analytica scandal where Zuckerberg was interrogated and all that stuff. This is actually kind of the same thing. It's about data encryption, and the data of WhatsApp users was not encrypted as good as before because Facebook took it over, and Jan Koum, the co-founder of WhatsApp, was not happy about that. So after a discussion with Facebook, he left WhatsApp. And if you might not know it already, Facebook is planning to make money out of WhatsApp. It's going to give bonuses to the bigger companies so they can target audiences. So yeah, they're actually just using your data, your phone numbers, your mail addresses to target bigger brands so they can target you and they will give money to Facebook. And yeah, what even is privacy these days? Oh yeah, by the way, Google is also making a messaging app for Android to ditch all the other apps so they can merge together. I think it is something like that. I don't know if it's happening. It's probably going to happen, but I don't know for when. So we're going to have Messenger, Facebook Messenger, we're going to have WhatsApp, and we're going to have the Google app. But the first two are both owned by Facebook. So Facebook has, I think, half of the population, more than half of the population in the world are connected to Facebook or WhatsApp. So Facebook has a lot of data they can use to target audiences. I think Jan Koum is the smartest out of the bunch. He's quitting WhatsApp, has a lot of money right now. And what he's going to do, he's going to collect rare air-cooled Porsches, working on my cars and playing ultimate frisbee. Oh, what a life. But I think the main issue here is not that the CEO left. I think the main issue is that because the CEO left, Facebook has more control about WhatsApp now. And this also means that they admit, or that the CEO admits, that Facebook is actually not doing such a good job at data encryption. As if we didn't know that already. Right, but what is your take on this topic? I sometimes feel a bit vulnerable online when I see some things, like for example, I saw a video where someone was talking about a topic. He didn't type it, he was talking about it, and then suddenly it popped up in the ads. So they are also tracking via the microphone. Plus, I saw a picture of Mark Zuckerberg who covered his webcam and his microphone. Yeah, that really happened. Alright, I would say stay safe and be aware of the Zuck, because who knows? Maybe he's watching over your shoulder.